Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you a tip to quickly increase your YouTube subscribers and help you reach 1,000 subscribers to qualify for monetization. This is a strategy I recently applied to a new channel and it worked incredibly well. Let's go. The way I do it is very simple. I focus on creating shorts videos to attract subscribers. The advantage of shorts is that they are quick to make. You can create dozens of videos in a single day. Shorts are recommended by YouTube extremely fast, usually within 1 to 2 hours, and can get a lot of views, which in turn brings in many subscribers. Another advantage of shorts is that you can remix other people's videos without worrying about copyright issues. I found great videos from others, remixed them, and uploaded them to my channel. If the original content is good, then my video is good too. And just a few hours after posting, I got thousands of views and a decent number of subscribers. Every day I post around 4 videos, spacing each video about 6 hours apart. Some of these videos get tens of thousands of views, and there are days when I gain over 100 subscribers. This is a very effective method for new channels. If your channel is new and you want to quickly increase your subscriber count, you can use this strategy to reach 1,000 subscribers in a short amount of time. You can even keep pushing forward to earn the silver or gold play button if you want. After meeting the requirements for monetization, I switched to making long-form videos because they earn more money. Shorts videos are mainly for boosting the channel, as the revenue from shorts isn't significant unless you have an enormous number of views. The advantage of shorts is that you can legally use other people's content. If you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend you start right away. There are 2 ways to remix videos. The first way is to remix directly using the YouTube app on your phone. When watching a video on YouTube, you'll see the remix icon. Just tap on it to remix someone else's video. There are 4 ways to remix. Use the sound, collab, green screen, and cut the video. However, to ensure your channel remains eligible for monetization, I recommend using the collab remix method. First, select the length of your video by dragging the slider bar at the bottom of the screen. The best length here is around 12 to 13 seconds. Once you've chosen the right length, click Next to continue. At this step, select the layout for your video. You have options to position your content on the left, right, top, or bottom of the screen. Choose the layout that best fits your video content and visual presentation. And now, press the red record button at the bottom of the screen to start recording your video. But remember to replace the laptop in the video with your face. After you're done, click the next button to begin the process of uploading your video. Then, type in the title and upload your short and you're all set. The second method, if you'd rather not show your face, is to download videos from other creators and use Canva to combine them with free avatars. Just be sure to remix only short videos, as the policies for long videos are more stringent. If you found this tip helpful, please give me a like and click the subscribe button below the video. Then tap the bell icon so you won't miss any other helpful videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.